HeyGears Ultra Print PAP10 Resin. Print details as fine as the width of a hair. PAP10 resin can successfully print a smallest pillar diameter of 0.15 mm and a smallest convex detail diameter of 0.08 mm, which is as thin as a single strand of hair. 1 mm wide 3D printing of a single character, barely readable by the naked eye. This Canton Tower model features intricate structures just 0.15 mm in diameter. You can always count on PAP10, a reliable partner to realize your 3D creations with exceptional details and printability. To further boost your 3D printing capabilities, the HeyGears Pulsing Release Module paired with PAP10 is a great option. This combination can reduce the number of supports and the diameter of contact points, making it much easier to remove the supports and get cleaner surfaces with fewer support marks. When 3D printing miniatures, PAP10 also excels with its exceptional properties. It features good impact strength for enhanced durability of tabletop miniatures against drops. Additionally, its great flexural strength makes tabletop miniatures hard to fracture. With HeyGears pre-processing software, Blueprint Studio, slicing is straightforward, even for batch production tasks. The HeyGears UltraCraft Reflex RS 3D printer features a full-field precision screen, minimizing light intensity variation to guarantee high accuracy and reliability in every print. HeyGears UltraCraft wash and cure machines can offer a flawless and parameter-free post-processing experience. With the RS and PAP10 resin, you can master batch production of miniatures and achieve your business goals. That's the power of PAP10, to create your miniature world and capture every fine detail.